The US dollar index is slipping against risky currencies as hopes for the coronavirus vaccine and big corporate deals encourage risk-on mood. Futures on the benchmark US stock indices are rising amid the broad-based weakness of the US dollar. The US dollar versus Canadian dollar pair is trading at the lower border of the downtrend. Futures on the US stock indices are trading higher amid expectations of a report on the US industrial production for August. Futures on the Dow Jones were 0.75% up at 28,082 points. Nasdaq grew 0.96% to trade at 11,374.5. Futures on the S&P 500 climbed 0.75% to trade at 3,397.62. The data on the US industrial production for August is on investors' radars today. The consensus suggests that the indicator slowed down a pace of growth to 1% on month following a 3% climb in July. Investors are anticipating the industrial data, looking for clues as to whether the US economic recovery is picking up steam. Upbeat data is a forward-looking indicator of robust demand. Earlier today, China provided similar industrial data. According to the government data, the industrial output expanded by 5.6% on a yearly basis, stronger than a 4.8% rise in July. Importantly, the actual data surpassed analysts' expectations for a 5.1% growth. So investors are pleased about a steady recovery in the second largest economy. The US dollar index slipped 0.2% to 92.92. The euro-dollar pair climbed 0.2% to trade at 1.1889 ahead of the publication of the ZEW survey with Germany's economic sentiment index for September. Meanwhile, the US dollar versus loonie pair is trading at the lower border of the downtrend, that is 1.3190. Investors are cautious before the two-day policy meeting of the Federal Reserve, which will kick off on Tuesday night. This will be the first meeting after the central bank revised its approach to achieve the target inflation level of 2% last month. Besides, the Fed is going to update its long-term outlook for the domestic economy until 2023 and unveil its further moves on interest rates. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow.